First, the Target 12 investigators have learned the Rhode Island Attorney General's office has issued civil subpoenas to both RIPTA and UnitedHealthcare, the state's former health plan administrator. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Kim Kalunian. The civil subpoenas were issued in response to an August data breach that the AG's office said it was notified about in December. 12 News reporter Alexandra Leslie joins us live now from the control room. And Alex, this comes as we've learned the number of those affected by this breach is even larger than previously disclosed publicly by RIPTA.
Yeah, as we've previously reported, RIPTA sent letters in December that indicated about 17,000 Rhode Islanders were impacted. We've now learned as many as 22,000 have had their personal information breached, and many of whom don't even work for RIPTA. In a Senate Oversight Committee hearing Monday, RIPTA Director Scott Avedisian provided a timeline of the August breach and actions taken thereafter, which showed a handful of RIPTA employees conducted a manual review of the impacted files.
That process was time and labor intensive, including looking at more than 40,000 records.
Avedisian said the agency notified the Attorney General's office nearly 4 months later.
And the whole purpose of notifying this office is so that if we think a follow-up investigation needs to happen, both about the content of the notice, starting at its most basic, meaning was the notice sufficient? Was it timely? Did it include all the information it's supposed to have?
We learned the Rhode Island Attorney General's office is taking further action. Target 12 obtained civil subpoenas the AG's office issued to both RIPTA and UnitedHealthcare on January 27th under the state's Identity Theft Protection Act. The 2015 law requires entities to notify the Attorney General in the event of a data breach affecting more than 500 Rhode Islanders no more than 45 calendar days after that breach.
Did they violate that law in your eyes?
Well, look, that's something that we're taking a look at. I mean, you're absolutely right to raise that issue. And, frankly, it's an issue that in the first instance got our attention.
Attorney General Peter Neronha tells me the issue more important to Rhode Islanders is how the breach happened in the first place.
Why it happened, what the scope of the problem is, what remedies, we need to take to make sure it doesn't happen again, or perhaps steps we can take to protect people that were victimized by this breach, the subject of this breach, and move forward. We're still at the early stages here, obviously.
And RIPTA tells me in a statement in part that it's continuing to take steps to strengthen its information security processes by further enhancing security protocols, document handling practices, and cybersecurity training for its employees. Reporting live in the control room, Alexandra Leslie, 12 News.